Welcome to The Secret Life of Plants. In this journey, we'll uncover the hidden mysteries of nature. Get ready to witness how plants communicate, adapt, and thrive in a world unseen by human eyes. Plants have a secret language using chemical signals. When a plant is attacked by insects, it releases chemical compounds into the air, warning neighboring plants to prepare their defenses. Plants possess an electrifying secret. They use microscopic channels called plasmodesmata to exchange electrical impulses, much like our nervous system. These signals help coordinate growth and respond to the environment. Some plants engage in acoustic conversations. They emit airborne sounds, like a gentle symphony, to communicate danger or attract beneficial insects while repelling predators. The answer to the ultimate question of how plants communicate lies in their ability to use multiple forms of communication simultaneously. Chemical signals, electrical impulses, and acoustic vibrations create a complex network of interactions that enable plants to thrive and adapt. Nature's incredible stories unfold all around us. Take a moment to pause, listen closely, and be mesmerized by the secret life of plants. 1. Plants communicate with each other through chemical signals, electrical impulses, and even acoustic vibrations. 2. When a plant is attacked by insects, it releases chemical compounds into the air to warn neighboring plants of the impending threat. 3. Some plants emit airborne sounds to communicate danger or attract beneficial insects while repelling predators. 4. Plants can adjust their growth patterns based on the presence of nearby plants or obstacles in their environment. 5. Certain plants release pheromones to attract specific pollinators, ensuring successful reproduction. 6. Plants exhibit a phenomenon called allelopathy, where they release chemicals to inhibit the growth of nearby competing plants. 7. Some plants can detect and respond to touch, allowing them to react to physical stimuli in their environment. 8. Plants have the ability to sense and respond to changes in light conditions, enabling them to optimize their photosynthesis. 9. The roots of certain plants release chemical signals to establish beneficial relationships with fungi, forming symbiotic connections known as mycorrhiza. 10. Some plants have the ability to change the color of their flowers to attract specific pollinators. 11. Plants can release chemical compounds that attract predators of the insects feeding on them, acting as a form of natural pest control. 12. Plants communicate with insects through volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which can serve as signals for insects to locate suitable hosts for laying eggs. 13. Some plants produce chemicals that act as natural sunscreen, protecting their leaves from harmful UV radiation. 14. Plants can remember previous environmental conditions and adjust their growth and flowering patterns accordingly. 15. Certain plants emit a scent when they are injured, alerting neighboring plants to produce toxins as a defense mechanism. 16. Plants can exhibit behavioral responses, such as drooping leaves or closing petals, in reaction to external stimuli like touch or changes in light intensity. 17. Some plants can release chemicals into the soil to repel or inhibit the growth of harmful pathogens. 18. Plants have the ability to prioritize resource allocation, directing nutrients and energy towards growth, defense, or reproduction as needed. 19. Some plants exhibit a phenomenon known as self-pruning, shedding lower branches to allocate resources to the upper parts of the plant. 20. Plants can sense the presence of nearby kin and allocate resources to support their growth, promoting the survival of related individuals. Here are a few examples illustrating the unique facts about the secret life of plants. Chemical communication. When a leaf on a plant is attacked by insects, it releases chemical compounds called volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air. These VOCs act as warning signals to nearby plants, triggering them to produce natural defenses to protect themselves from potential insect attacks. Acoustic conversations. Certain plants, like corn, rice, and tobacco, emit airborne sounds in response to specific stimuli. For example, when corn plants are under duress due to drought or being attacked by pests, they release ultrasonic clicking sounds. These sounds attract certain parasitic wasps, which are natural predators of the pests, offering a form of natural pest control. Mimicking pollinators, orchids are known for their intricate adaptations to attract pollinators. Some orchid species mimic the appearance, scent, and even behavior of specific pollinators, such as bees or wasps. By fooling these insects, the orchids ensure effective cross-pollination, enhancing their reproductive success. Memory and adaptation. Plants can exhibit memory and adjust their growth patterns based on previous environmental conditions. For example, the Mimosa pudica plant, also known as the sensitive plant, folds its leaves in response to touch or disturbance. Research has shown that if the same leaf is repeatedly touched, the plant eventually stops responding, remembering that the repeated touch is not a threat. Chemical warfare. Some plants engage in allelopathy, where they release chemicals into the soil to inhibit the growth of nearby competing plants. For instance, the black walnut tree secretes a substance called juglone that inhibits the growth of many plant species around it, giving the walnut tree a competitive advantage. These examples demonstrate the incredible adaptability, communication, and defense mechanisms of plants, showcasing the wonders of their secret lives and their unique interactions with the environment.